Are you getting irritated by facing high ping issue on Call of Duty when using your iPhone? If yes, then don't worry. Here's the advanced guide on how to fix this high ping issue on Call of Duty on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, check your internet speed. Solution 1. Check the internet speed. Open any browser, search fast.com, and tap on the first link. After this, check your internet speed. If you find that it's workable, then try our easy solutions below. For network troubleshooting, try the solution below. Solution 2. Turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back off. Solution 3. Turn off low data mode. Open settings, scroll down. After tapping the eye icon, here you can see the low data mode option. Now ensure that it's turned off. Solution 3. Switch your data connection. Slide down. If you're using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. And check whether your problem is fixed or not. If you still have the issue, then try our last solution. Try to reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset. Then tap on reset. Select reset network settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure, by resetting network settings, your phone network settings will be set to default, so you should remember your password as well. So, this is how you can solve the high ping issue on Call of Duty Mobile on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.